Okay, so first I'm going to take this color right here from the new Milani Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. It's so freaking beautiful. And that's going to be my brow bone color. And now I'm going to take this other Milani palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. Okay, now I'm going to take this shade right here, and that's going to go right on my crease. Okay, now I'm going to take some concealer and create a cut crease. Now I'm going to take this gold shade right here, and that's going to go on my eyelid. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to apply some of this glitter by Revlon. Okay, now for lashes, I'm going to apply these really pretty ones from Salon Perfect. They are the model 615. Okay, now I'm going to take this reddish shade again, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Now for my inner highlight, I'm going to take this light color once again. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Tartiste. Okay, now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is the shade Crown of My Canopy. And for lips, I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Ruler. So that was it for this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's definitely perfect for Valentine's Day, and I have one more makeup look that I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video, okay? Take care. Bye.